Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, and if you are returning, what's up? My name is Lynette. What? And I would like to say thank you so much for the love in the last video, which was the January video. So basically, if you are watching this vlog and it's your first time on this channel, we are going to be having a monthly vlog each and every month, just to recap what has happened in that month. I previously used to do weekly vlogs, but life is not allowing me to do that right now, so I am doing my best to the people coming, and I feel shy, so let me stop here for a bit. So right now I'm seated in front of this building. This is a hotel where we are staying. I traveled for work. This is Kamuli and this is Solview Hotel. I would like to say that a lot of like places in the rural areas usually don't have very up to standard lodging places, but this is really good. That's how it looks like. It has a pool, it has a sauna and spa. So I think that if you're watching this and you usually travel to the field, or your job requires you to, and Kamuli is one of the areas that you would like to work in, consider coming to Solview. I think the rooms are pretty decent, and it offers just pretty decent lodging. I haven't loved the breakfast at all, so I can't say for sure, but I know that this is literally one of the best places, if not the best, in this area. So yeah, basically I am seated. We are done with work this evening. It's past 6, just in case my employer sees this and thinks I'm doing this during working hours. No, it's past 6 and I'm a bit tired, exhausted. It's pretty been a good day, just that I think sometimes as human beings we just really get tired and your brain is really, but yeah. Anyway, happy new month, happy love month. What are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? I'm no longer single. That's a nice life update, no? Yeah. Anyway, I'm not single, and I'm dating an amazing person. I would like to say that, and I do not know if they'll ever come to the vlog, but in case they do, I'll definitely be showing you guys. Maybe after we get married. And I'm still a content creator. Anyway, yeah. So basically, that's it, guys. Today is what, 5th of February? Yeah, I started off the month changing my hair, and I'm so far loving this hair. It's a sewing piece that I did at Safari Hair Studio, and I think I like it. It's pretty easy to maintain, and yeah, and very light on the head. I love it for that. Anyway guys, let me stop overly yapping, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. I don't know what it will be, but yeah. Hi guys, did I already welcome you back to the channel and also welcome you back to the February vlog? As I highlighted in the previous video, which was the January vlog, is that I will be doing one vlog per month, and yeah, until at least after June. Yes, because as I highlighted, I'm at school and life is just not allowing me to, you know, be as creative, have as much time. I'm juggling work and school, and of course other personal things and life that comes along when you're an adult. Yeah, anyway, I hope that you guys have been well. So I've gotten a chance to be at home. Today is Monday the 17th of February. Yeah, so I've gotten a chance to be at home because the organization I work for, yesterday was Jan and Luum Day. So the thing about public holidays in this organization, which I find really cool, is that when a public holiday falls on a weekend, I know a lot of public holidays in this first quarter or even first half of the year are going to fall on the weekend, but us in this organization
when a public holiday falls on the weekend, let's say on a Sunday, you take the Monday off. Yeah, so yesterday was General Room Day, we are taking today off. And if a public holiday falls on a Saturday, you take the Friday before off. So for example, Women's Day is going to be on a Saturday, so we'll take 7th March off, and then 8th March, which is a public holiday. I find it so cool. It's working for me. It gives me a bit of time to rest and like just be at home, guys. Can I be honest? As an adult, you are going to be up and down literally the entire year. If you don't find time to slow down, I don't know, but life will slow you down itself. So yeah, anyway, I'm taking this time off today. Of course, being at school, I have to read because, you know, tests here and there until exams and stuff like that. So I'm happy to like always take the day off given by work. Anyway, I wanted to share. I've spoken a lot in the first exam. So of course the year began, and I would like to share a few of my intentions and a few of my thoughts for the year 2025. And let me tell you, I've seen so many quotes and like very inspirational things that say that you can literally start the year any day. Like it doesn't matter if it's June or July or even December, you still have time. So don't say that until now I'm you know, my intentions are starting late and stuff like that. Anyway, let me share a few of my intentions for the year 2025. First of all is to finish school successfully, guys. I think there's something about paying your own fees that actually makes you a serious person. Like you can no longer play in, you know, when you're an undergrad and you have like a guardian or a parent paying for your fees, that's not your money, so you might take it for granted. But if you're picking from your pocket to actually pay fees, you must be serious. Anyway, so one of my intentions is to complete school successfully. I also want to be so big on investment this year. I started last year, which was such a good run. I feel like the year is starting off a bit slow for me in that area, but I know I will pick up with time. I don't know if I shared in the previous video that I am now in a relationship with a really good man. What's my intention in as regards relationships? I think one of my intentions as regards relationships is to continuously learn, because the thing about being in a relationship with a good person is that they extend so much grace to you. And let me tell you, you discover things about yourself, you discover how selfish you are and stuff like that. But I think my intention this year for relationships is to learn as much as I can. I already know this person, I feel like I already know this person, but let me tell you, even when you are 10-15 years into marriage, you'll still have things like, oh my god, I just learned this about this person, you know. So the learning never ends. So I just really want to be more intentional about getting to know this person so well, like that back of my palm. Yeah, as regards family, I hope to spend more time with my family. As regards work, I hope to excel and learn. I pivoted from IT into communications full time, and so I am learning a great deal. And actually I'm at school doing a postgraduate in journalism and communications, so it's such a good time to be at a new job and also be learning about that job in class. So it gives you like better things to like practice. Yeah, I also want to take my content creation to the next level, so help me God. Like I want people to actually, I want to be favored before men and before kings. I want to be a part of great brands this year, and so I'm really trying, especially on Instagram and TikTok. I'm trying so much with my consistency, so I really want to be a part of working with big brands this year, so help me God, and also make a shit ton of money from that. Yeah, my spiritual life, I hope to spend more time with God this year. Intentional spending time with God, like I open my Bible at home and read and take notes. Yeah, so that's my version of spiritual like growth, being able to have a personal relationship with God but also being able to nurture it. Yeah, what else? Let me see, what area haven't I touched? I want to take my first solo trip ever for my birthday. One of my friends threatened me and said, Lynette, you know this might be your last year as an unmarried person. I'm like, what? So before I fully go into this whole life where I'm figuring it out with another person by my side, I really want to take a solo trip, and I'm going to try and make sure it works. So I'm planning to actually go to Rwanda, so help me God. Yeah, and see, yeah, I think I want to take a solo trip at least before the year end for my 28th birthday. I'm usually scared, but this time I want to do it afraid. I'm scared of getting lost in another country and stuff like that, but I'm going to make it happen. I'm really going to make it happen. Yeah, also a free plug is Chinatown, guys. Sorry, I've diverted a little from my intentions, but I'm holding this cushion and it reminded me that I could plug you guys. These are cushion cases or cushion covers from Chinatown. It is 8,000. So I revamped my chairs with like new cushions and just put the sponge inside. Anyway, I think those are my intentions. Those are the intentions that come to mind so quickly this year. for me. And what are yours? I know it's never too late to start, guys. Never too late to write your goals, never too late to write your intentions and stuff like that. Anyway, see you in the next clip. Hi guys, so it's Valentine's Day. This is my boyfriend. We are having such a lovely time.
1, 2, 3. The last time. Cheers. We thank you, Lord. Papa, we thank you. Good morning, guys. It's the last day of Feb. It's the 28th. Guys, this February there's been the Hallelujah Challenge, and that's where I first heard the song that's playing, and it has stuck with me. It's really stuck with me. How has your month been? I feel like the month has been both long and short. Yeah, but I'm so glad that I've been able to participate in the Hallelujah Challenge above all else. We have like 2 days left. Yeah, I think it's been such a blessing. The things I've been believing God for that are going to come to pass in Jesus' name, they're already signed. There are things that I wanted God to teach me and for God to do in the future. There is a miracle I wanted now, and then there is one that I really want for the future. Actually, so many of them. And I believe God is going to do all of them. I don't know how your month has been, but I think this month God has particularly been teaching me to trust Him